Here's our ride. Oh Lord. Hey!
Särkänniemi.
So today is Särkänniemi. No idea how that's pronounced. It's raining. It's gonna be good. That's so dope. Oh! Ooh. My man here is ready. He got the goggles.
It's gonna be wet.
Whoa, 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 okay. Whoa! Whoa! Den er faktisk okay smooth. Den føles akavet flow. Wow! Wow, get up in! Wow! Skidte lige der! Hvordan fanden begyndte mig at ryste så voldsomt i så langsomt et sving? Ej, men det var fedt. We just did Tornado, only one of two Intamin suspended thrill coasters, or suspended looping coasters. And I gotta tell you, that was a really, really good ride. It had a lot of fun forces, especially in the hardline rolls. It was a little bumpy. There was a very weird turn that was surprisingly bumpy in the front. But overall, the smoothness was just fine, at least in the front row. I heard from some other people of the group that it's even better or even smoother in the back. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's nothing extraordinary, but it's great. The hardline rolls, again, definitely the best part of the ride. And it's got a lot of charm as well. Really glad this thing is still around and I got to try something like that. Some other people in the group have also ridden the one in Spain and say that one's a lot of fun too. I'm excited to see if it warms up throughout the day because it does seem to be running pretty sluggishly right now. But at the same time, I don't know if that's just how it is. Nonetheless, that makes the hardline rolls even better. So on to the next thing. I think we're going to the Sempro. I hope this lock flume opens later because, yeah. Den kunne jeg rigtig godt lide.
Det var sgu da kraftfuldt.
Det er lige før jeg synes, den i hvert fald er lige så fed som Tornado. Hej, det var sjovt. Run. Look at this view. It's gorgeous. It's fabulous. Jeg får lidt ondt i nødderne den måde, jeg sidder på, synes jeg.
Ligesom at sidde i de coasters.
Det er sgu lidt det samme. Der er sådan en færge, der sejler derude. Det er også sjovt.
Ja, vi skal fra Sjælland til
Kom bare du.
Det bliver meget langt køre, jeg sådan teori.
Ja, det gør.
Rosanna, Rosanna.
So MotoGee was at least as fun, if not more fun for me than Tornado. It's got a great flow and so fun little whippy transitions. And while you're on a motorbike, it's amazing as well. It's very smooth and the launch is pretty powerful. It's a great cable launch and you can really feel that pull, that yoink that you get. Overall, super fun family coaster. Absolutely a top tier family ride for me. And one I'm very much looking forward to riding again. Yay! We're all utterly confused because she only let 2 people in with all these people in line. What is going on? It's all right. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Yes, come to Papi. Get in. Det er også helt vildt, hvor langt op ad den kommer. Okay. Way! Whoa! Whoa! Det er stejlt. Ja, ja. Wow! Jeg prøver at høre det. Okay. Det var faktisk ikke, det var ikke helt lige så intens som jeg regnede med faktisk. Er det snobbet? I got 2 rides in on hype, one in the front and one near the front. That is a very powerful coaster. I think I expected it to be a tad more punchy. Of course, it is my first of those Skyrocket 2s. I expected it to be a tad more punchy in the airtime and the whip, but on my second ride, it pretty much lived up to what I expected. That's a very good ride, super fun, pretty intense. The launches are fun as well. Definitely one that I really like, even though it goes backwards, which I'm not usually a fan of. The launches themselves had a solid punch, not the most, but they definitely had some nice force. And then all the transitions were super whippy or just intense. Great airtime in the front row up towards the top. The hardline roll is absolutely terrifying, only lap bars. Insane hang time up there. And otherwise, it's just very fast feeling and super thrilling. I still have no idea which coaster here is my favorite. It could be all 3 of the big ones, honestly, because they're so different. But it's rewrite time. Both water rides are closed, unfortunately, so there's not much else to do.
Intermin lancerede i sin tid deres kompakte halfpipe-koncept lige her i parken. Rutsjebanen af samme navn, men hvornår åbnede halfpipe? Var det A 2003, B 2004, C 2005 eller D 2006?
Wow, okay, det var snedigt. Det var jeg ikke lige klar på. glæder mig til at se, om den har lidt mere fart på her. Wow, den er fed, man. Den er altså bare... Yeah. Tornado definitely better towards the back, feels way more speedy, a lot better flow, a little smoother as well, and more intense. Fantastic looping coaster. Ej, hvor er det freaky, mand. Så er I rullet nu. Du får en smerter. Nu ser du også presset ud. Hvor er det godt. Even more nuts in the back. Somehow the launches feel stronger and the pull off the top after the roll, nuts. That does it for our visit here at Särkänniemi. Today was a shorter visit. We were only here about 5 hours because there's really not that much to do. We have the 3 big coasters and that's about all there really is to re-ride because unfortunately the 2 water rides are closed. The drop tower, not a lot to say about that really. So yeah, we're heading off now, but honestly I feel pretty completed. I got 4 rides on Hype, 3 on Tornado, 2 on MotoGee. Fortunately my GoPro died for the back row on that one. Overall thoughts in the park are, it's not really a very fantastic place. It's very much just like a little amusement park, you know. There's not a lot of charm or great theming, and the rides are average at best, except for the coasters, of course, which are really great, but still not extraordinary in any way. So all in all, that being said, it's a fine park. It's definitely lower tier for me, but I'm really glad I got here, got my first intimate suspended thrill coaster and my first Skyrocket 2, about time with that. And that MotoGee was a really positive surprise. So yeah, a lot of fun to be had here. Really excited for Power Park tomorrow.